Nasigata Heat. Nasigata Heat. Nasigata Heat. Nasigata Heat. Roland Josie.
Ooh, okay. Ooh, it's your boy. It's Mr. Tony West in the building. Get fire. Hold on, let's see if we can get the backup camera going too. I'm trying to do it up. Cause this subject matter that I'm about to talk about is like something I've been wanting to say for a long time. Let's get this video started, baby. Let's go. Alright, my beautiful people. Woo! New motor vlog, baby. New motor vlog. It's been... It ain't been that long. Probably about 2 weeks. I gotta get more consistent, bruh. It's gotta be a better and effective way to do this. Like, you know, a lot quicker. Alright. So, like always, I like to discuss what I'm going to talk about before you even watch the motor vlog, because maybe you don't even want to listen to this subject. Maybe you one of the people that got, like, you know, another video that you might like. I got like 100, maybe 200 videos that, you know, you can just click on, see what you like, see what you don't like. I got some old videos when I first started using GoPros, and I got some other ones when I get extra crispified. This one should be an extra crispy one. It's my second backwards facing camera. Say what's up, people. Okay, all right. So check this out. Recently my state just did the whole they passed a law where polices cannot, and it's funny because I just seen the police cannot chase motorcycles. Well, it's not even just motorcycles, it's just they can't give chase. So they have a no chase policy, right? So the no chase policy consists of it just says that city police officers cannot chase you, and that's majority of the time that's who you know, are chasing, because of course state troopers, they're always on the state highways, and no one ever likes to go that far unless you're going out of town. And if you're going out of town, then you know it is what it is. But for the simple fact, like some people just don't get on that highway anyway with the state troopers, right? I think I got to move up a little bit because this is kind of weird. Sometimes the freaking, you know, the lights don't get you, so you just be sitting there like whoop whoop pop out. Well, anyway, recently this is probably like a month ago, maybe 2 months ago, I was going to Motor Style, going to do like a gear review video or something like that, which, you know what I'm saying, that's a normal thing for me, right? I like to take the back roads. Ooh, that's a beautiful Porsche. I like to take the back roads to get to Motor Style, so not to get in trouble, because I know sometimes I get a little, just a little, you know what I'm saying, like, ooh, it's been a while since I rode my motorcycle. You know, let me stretch my legs a little bit, as I want to say. So, you know, but to stop me from doing that, I take the back roads, which, you know, keep me quite calm. I don't try to, you know, speed or anything while I'm chilling and stuff like this. But this particular day, I was just relaxing, kick back, shooting b-ball outside of school, and a couple, no, come on, bro, get back on it. Okay, and this day it was an old lady in front of me, and she was going so slow. Like, I had already let her in, she cut me off. So I was just like, you know, alright, I'm just gonna chill. And there's a two-way road that I like to get on, and just, ooh, it has a beautiful corner. Like, after the corner, I don't care about the road no more. Like, I actually just 20 miles per hour, boom, boom, boom. But this time, I was like, you know, as soon as I got to it, boom, I come around the old lady. I'm not blaming nobody. It was my fault. I juiced it. I had a lot of juice. I don't know what was wrong with me that day. I honestly, I don't know. So, I blow past this police officer who's not standing in his truck. I promise you, he's not in his truck at all. In fact, he had just written somebody a ticket And he was standing there, and when he saw my bike go by, I had just downshifted to give myself a little bit more juice. Oh my God, why this person is not turning right? Come on, bro. Turn right. Bro, turn right. Oh, this person over here texting. I don't think you can see them because they got tinted windows, but they over here texting. And this person in front of me won't turn right. That was weird. Why would you wait so long? Why you wait so long? Man, I just got to get over this traffic stuff. So, the cop sees me. I do one of these here. So, I'm like hella juiced, right? I mean like hella juiced. I know, you know, I think so he runs, I see him when he runs and jumps in his car. Jumps in, chases after me. Instantly when I passed him, I said, oh man, this is going to be one of those situations that I might need a camera, because I feel like he's going to be like, yo, I clocked you at a trillion miles per hour and you know, and you just blew by me, you know. And, you know, I don't want to tell police officers, hey, you was wrong. I didn't blow by you at blah, blah, blah speed. I passed you at this amount of speed. Yes, it's a 45, and quite frankly, I probably was blown by you at 65. So, you know, I'll take that L, dog. I ain't gonna flex. I'll take it. You know what I mean? But, no. This police officer, he decides that he would try to hit me with his truck. So we're on this road, and on the right is some gravel, lots of gravel. Like, it's a gravel pit. Like, if I park my bike in there, it's gonna be so hard for me to get out by myself, right? And then on the left is the shopping plaza. So imagine I'm sitting here and he pulls behind me, right? And I'm looking in my mirror, I'm like, oh man, he coming for me. It's for me. All right, so let me pull over in the shopping plaza. He flies up on the sides of me, on the right side of me, like going on the opposite side of the road, and like swerves his truck in front of me. Now, at this point, I done dropped my speed down to probably about 10, like 10 miles per hour. I think I'm freaking creeping, right? And he rolls down the window, pulls there, and I'm like, bruh, if I wanted to run from you, it wouldn't even, the discussion wouldn't even, that's the funny part. You wouldn't be able to talk to me right now. Look, there go the state troopers right there. For those who want to know what the state trooper, that's the state trooper right there. So, we wouldn't even be having this discussion if I was running from you, you know what I mean? Like, I had that, you know, at no point was I thinking, like, drop gear, disappear. You know, you hear that saying a lot, you know what I mean? You either do it or you don't, right? Well, for me, I knew that, like, all right, bro, I'd have been pulled over for speeding probably about, man, when I was 18, I liked to street race, right? Street racing was a big thing. And I'm going to tell you this. I paid my debt to society, so I don't want to hear all of that. It's so irresponsible. You're putting the public at risk and stuff. So, that was this road that everybody went on. It's an industrial road, so the only people on there is truck drivers, right? 10 o'clock at night, nobody on that side of town. I used to be over there with the rest of everybody else, getting it and stuff like that. And I just felt like, okay, I'm in the culture or whatever, you know. And this one particular day, I just decided to, like, gas it from there, you know, like, really hit it. And it's like, oh, in my little Saturn Ion, you know what I mean? I caught a ticket for $1,200, and then I caught a following ticket for $600. And luckily, the second one really put stuff into perspective, because the first time I was like, dang. Then the second one was like, bro, this was point. I'm tired of giving the state my money. Like, I'm tired of giving you guys money. I am. I'm done. And one time, and 1 week, I got in trouble by the same police officer. It was this lady. She pulled me over the first time, and it was for doing, I think it was 50 in the school zone. So that was like freaking terrible. Mind you, the school was behind bushes and the sign was behind bushes. So, you know, I took pictures of it. Of course, the state sent somebody in there the county sent somebody in there to freaking cut the bushes. So, you know what I'm saying, I couldn't even fight it in court, but I was showing them pictures, and they was just like, no, that's not how it looks, I was like, bruh, what? So, you know, that ticket put with the freaking super speeder ticket. In my state, they got something called super speeder. I don't know what they do in other states, but in my state, it's called super speeder. So, what they do, they tack on an extra, I think it's like $200. So they tack on the $200, and I got hit with super speeder twice because, like I said, I got 2 tickets from the same cop. One day it was 55, the other day it was like 60. And she was just like, Mr. Cannon, you just like to give your money away, don't you? I was like, is that supposed to be a joke? Is that supposed to be a joke? Because I'm not laughing at it, okay? But, you know, but to go back what I'm talking about, yeah, so now they have this whole no chase thing, you know what I mean? And I could feel the whole motorcycle career. Now, I haven't had any conversations with anybody. I haven't had any breakdowns. I mean, me and my fiance, we talked about it just a little bit. You know, will it save lives? I think it will. I mean, it's kind of, it's a bad good thing, okay? So the bad part about it is, if someone steals your car, the cops can't chase them. Like, let's say somebody stole your car and the freaking cops pulled up right when they were stealing your car, and they pulling out the parking lot, you know, busting out the coupe lock, just hit the hit with the lock. Oh, but anyway, man, I don't know why that song gets in my head. About to get lazy. Okay, all right. Ooh, back to us out. They, you know, they can't chase them. So, you know, you just lost your car, and you know, you're just gonna have to file a report, and they'll just, you know, probably follow them in a helicopter.
You already know. It's commercial time, baby. This right here is my icon, the horror helmet, boy. You already know. This is one of my favorite ones, the Motovlog helmet. It's because it's very solid and it's good. Look at my signal looking so crispy. These right here is from Motor Style face mask. Oh yeah, look at those Motor Style face masks. And that gremlin bell to keep them negative spirits away from me as I ride. Get all your apparel from Motor Style. Holla at your boy. Peace. Yeah.
Anyway, alright, so we back. Now listen. So what I was saying is, yeah, the cops can't chase you. They probably most likely have a helicopter, if they have a helicopter in the sky, if they deem you important enough to chase by helicopter. I just recently seen that the Atlanta PD, they shut down the expressway just to catch this guy in a traffic jam, you heard me? So, you know, to the people that actually be like about that life, I'm just letting you know, like, Atlanta PD, they gonna do what they gotta do to catch you. You know what I mean? I'm not against it and I ain't for it, but you know, you gotta do what's in your best interest. You hear me? So the counties that's like no chase, they say no chase, but it depends on the police officer as well. Sometimes police officers can get in their feelings about getting left, so they just start doing crazy stuff. And you know, I don't want nobody risking their life or anything like that. And yeah, tell me what you think. You know, put it in the comment section. You know, get at me at Mr20west.west on Instagram. It's Mr20.west on Instagram. You know, for those who don't follow me on Instagram, follow me on Instagram. Please believe I got more videos coming. You know, the content been kind of slow up a little bit, but you know, I'm gonna put that thing back into play. It's 2020, bro. I cannot play no games. It's Mr. 20 West. I'm in the building as always. Nothing but love, peace, positivity. You know what I mean? Catch me in the streets, baby. Yes, yes, sir.